lovely morning to my little tiny tots. How are you all? Good? Happy? I'm also good, beta. This is your mathematics class and I'm your mathematics teacher. Today, beta, we are going to start a new chapter, which is chapter 4, addition. But before going to the book and notebook, I want to ask something to you, that what is addition? How we can do addition, as we have studied numbers. So if we will relate addition with numbers, how we can do addition, and what is addition by relating with the numbers only. So yes, beta, addition is nothing. It is just moving forward with the numbers. See, if I am asking you what is 2 plus 2, that means this question is asking what is two steps forward from 2. That means you need to walk 2 steps forward from 2. If you will walk 2 steps forward from 2, where you will reach? Yes, 4. This is only the addition, and we know 2 plus 2 is also 4. So basically, what is addition? Addition is just to move with the forward counting, and we are having different patterns to do addition that I'll tell you. For that we need to begin our class. So you all are ready? Okay, come, let's begin the class. Yes, beta, this is your chapter 4, addition. Addition means putting together two or more things or numbers. Yes, beta, what is the meaning of addition? Addition means, beta, to put the numbers together or to put two or more things together and to move forward. The numbers to be added are called addends. Yes, beta, the numbers to be added, जिन numbers को हम add करते हैं, they are called addends. उनको हम addends बोलते हैं. The answer in addition is called the sum, and the answer we got after the addition of two or more numbers, that answer is known as sum. We call that answer sum. Your activity 1 deals with the same. Arrange the numbers in columns and add. Yes, beta, we will do this activity in our notebook because we need to arrange the numbers in the columns first, then we can add them. So I'll tell you how to arrange the numbers in columns. So please take out your maths notebook. Beta, first of all, write down date in your notebook here and write down day here. Today's date and today's day. Then please write down CW chapter 4 addition activity 1. Then write down the question. Arrange the numbers in columns and add. Now beta, first set of numbers is 52 plus 35. Now first of all, we will observe how many digits are there in both the numbers. So there are 2 digits in both the numbers. First of all, beta, we will write the places over the digits. Now this is ones place and this is tens place. Again here this is ones place and this is tens place. And again, beta, for arranging them in columns, first of all we will make the columns of the places ones and tens, because here we need 2 places only. Then beta, always start writing number from the right hand side. This is your right hand side. Always start writing number from the left hand side. Now in first number, which is the first right digit 2, so we will write 2 in ones column and 5 in tens column. These are 2 columns along with the places, beta, tens and ones. So we will write the digit as per its place in the correct column. Now here 5 is at ones place, so we will write 5 in ones column, and 3 is at tens place, so we will write 3 in tens column. Now beta, we will put a sign of addition and then we will draw 2 lines. And now we will add them. 2 plus 5. Yes, tell me 2 plus 5 equals to? Yes, 7. So we will write here 7. And 5 plus 3 equals to? Yes, it is 8. So we will write here 8. Beta, please remember one thing. In addition, you always need to start from the right hand side. Start adding the number from the right hand side always. Writing them in the columns and adding them, please start from the right hand side only. So now our answer is 87. So we will write here 87 answer. Now beta, second and third question you will do yourself in the same manner. Now we will take fourth question. Now beta, fourth question is add 438 and 361. Now we can see that there are three digits in both the numbers. So first of all we will write place. Ones, tens and 100. Again in second number also ones, tens and 100. So beta, from here we got that we need to make three places columns. We need to make three columns. And what will be these three columns? Ones, tens, hundreds. Now beta, we know that we always need to start with the right hand side. So first of all we will write ones place digit, which is 8. Then we will write tens place digit, which is 3. Then we will write hundreds place digit, which is 4. Now we will move to the second number. Now again, and beta, always make sure that you are writing digits just below the digit of the upper one. So in next number 1 is at ones place, so here we will write 1. Now 6 is at tens place, so here we will write 6. Now 3 is at hundreds place, so here we will write 3. Now we will put a sign of addition and then we will draw two lines. Now tell me beta, 8 plus 1 equals to? Yes beta, do not forget that we always need to start with the right hand side with the ones place digits. So 8 plus 1 equals to? Yes, it is 9. So we will write 9 here. 3 plus 6 is? Yes, it is again 9. So we will write 9 here. And 4 plus 3 equals to? Yes, it is 7. So our answer is 799. So here we will write 799 is answer. Now beta, you need to do 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th question on your own in the same manner. By following the same pattern, you can complete activity 1 of chapter 4 addition in your notebook. Dear kids, today we have done activity 1 of chapter 4 addition. So your homework is to complete all the questions of activity 1 in your notebook. Please take a very good care of yourselves and be safe. Goodbye.